Hey y'all, this is Keena with SweetGemLife. Today, you know what time it is. We are going to do an unboxing of the July Simply Gilded kit titled Lullaby Moon. As you can see from the box, lots of silver foil going on. So, if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, quick warning. For all those of you watching, I will be revealing the mystery item. So if you don't want to know what the mystery item is, I will do it last. Let's do that. So I'll give you warning so you can cut the video off in time. So here is the menu card. Describes everything in the box, and we'll go in this order. So the first thing we have is the foiled journaling card, which is in the envelope with our washies. So mine came a bit bent up, but here it is. It has this ombre effect, which is beautiful. And the foil is actually rose gold. So that's pretty gorgeous. So there's our foiled journaling card. Next, we have our washi tapes. Make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. Okay, so I do have the extra 5mm, was it 6mm? 6mm add-on for washi, but this is the base washi that comes in every kit. You have, I'm going to open these up for you guys, but just wanted you to take a quick glance. So you have you'll always have your matching washi in the 10 and the 5. Is this 5? This is larger than 5, so this is 15 and 5. I could be wrong, guys. I need to check into this because me and millimeters, we suck. There's that. So then this looks like a glitter washi with some silver foils on here, which is absolutely gorgeous. Then we have, oh, they're packaged together. We've got some silver moons here. This looks perforated. And then there are some to-dos here, which are also perforated headers. And these music notes. These are absolutely gorgeous, and I'm gonna be right back. Let me get these opened up. Okay, we're back. We've got the washi unwrapped, and for your perusal, again, you have the white. It's more of an off-white with the silver foil on the music note scale. Then, as I thought, this is a glitter washi. It does have the silver foil. There are moons and there are bows on that one. Then we have the perforated goals to buy, to do, urgent. And this is more of a periwinkle color. It does match the rest of the box, and it has the silver foil as well. And then we have the silver foil, the inverted foil with the white moons, and that's also perforated. I actually love the perforated washi tapes. I can't get enough. And then we have our light pink with the silver foil music notes and scale. So that's the regular washi that comes with the kit. And now I'm going to open up the, I believe it's a 6mm add-on. If I can open it. Let's see if we can do this without slicing our fingers open, because y'all know I'm good for that. Okay, 6mm washi add-on. So we have a pink with the silver hearts that are vertical. And then we have the, like I said, inverted silver here with the white stars. This is not perforated. Not perforated. And then we have the come on apart. We have the periwinkle with the silver vine. This is not perforated. It's a regular washi tape. Yeah. And then we have the ombre periwinkle into pink with the silver stars and hearts and Stardust. So this is not perforated. It's a regular washi tape. So there's the washi, the designer washi tapes. Next, we have our deluxe sticker kit and seals. So let's check this out. Okay, so let's start with the sticker kit. We have some headers. We've got a full box, 2 full boxes. We've got some smaller stickers, some washi strip headers. All of this is silver foil. We've got some flags, page flags, 1, 2, 3 more full boxes with the silver foil. I especially love this one here with the music notes. Then we have our date covers that don't have space for date dots anymore. We've got some icons, 3 full boxes, some checklists, some bows, I like these, and some more headers. We've got our seals, which are normally bows or bows. These are silver foil, and rose gold here. These are really pretty. Next, we have the date dot, the heart icons with the dates, and they are foiled. They are ombre, and they are silver foiled. Next, we have some heart icons. These are just basic icons. You've got credit cards, email, pictures, laundry, cleaning, TV, your car, meals, just different things that you would want to use, obviously, icons for, and they are heart-shaped. Let's get one up so you can see that. And then you have your mini sheet with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 half boxes, a full box here, 3 checklists here, and some smaller stickers here. And they are full of owls. So there's our sticker kit and seals. And then this month we have another vegan leather pochette. And this one is a powdery blue. It's got silver hardware here. And it's got the scalloped edge. I don't know if you guys have been subscribers, what was that, the February box? There was a blue pouch that came, I don't know where it is. There was another blue pouch similar to this. It was not scalloped on the edge. It did also have the silver hardware, and it was a slightly lighter blue, and it was slightly larger. But this one has the owl print on the inside, which is very pretty, and it's much thicker than the other one. The other one was, I want to say, flimsy. Not flimsy like I can't use this flimsy, but it was not as thick as this one. It does have the hook here so that you can hook, you know, your charms and accessories on. Coming up next, we have the B6 stitched binding notebook. This month has the periwinkle and the silver foil moon here. And on the back, which is so adorable, has the music scale note page and the silver bow foil. So you guys know this is the dot grid. This is just the blank notebook. Let me open it up. Let's do that. I never use these. Every single one in every single kit, from every single kit that I've got, is sitting around here in my secret stash. Don't ask why, I don't know. But I'll give you guys a look into this. Like I said, it's just the dot grid pages, and it is stitched. Next, we have this month's pen. I do enjoy the pens. Not saying I don't enjoy the rest of the kit. I'm not a fan of silver. If you've watched any other videos from my channel, you know that already. Let's get this closed up before an accident occurs. Okay, so these are gel pens that come in the kits. I know I'm not supposed to do that. Nobody get on me about it. It's a bad habit, and I don't have patience. So let's do a quick pen test. How about that? and they write so smooth. Okay, so there's the kit pen this month. Next we have our velvet and crystal bow charm. I have a few of these, I think 3 now. I've only been a subscriber since January of 2020. And there was one in the January kit. I believe there was one in the March kit, and then now we have another. So this is a really light pink velvet charm. It has the silver velvet bow, excuse me. It has the silver charm here, the music note, and a crystal moon with the silver hook. Let me show you how it hooks. I see a lot of people hook these onto their pouches. And then you have that, which is super cute. Okay. Next we have the vellum and acetate sheet. While I love getting specialty papers in these kits, the Simply Gilded kit, the Villa Beautiful kit, I really wish this wasn't folded over into such a small shape. I'd love to use them. I'm an A5 size planner kind of gal, and this being folded over like this, I mean, it's kind of hard to do something with. But let me know down in the comments if you use an A5 as well and you have made use of these pages even though they're folded. So there's the vellum, and here is the acetate. Yep, silver on both sides. So there's that. Very pretty. I'd love to use them, but this fold, it just doesn't do it for me. But they're gorgeous. Next, we have the confetti tape kit, which is something new for me. I'm sure Irene has used this in previous kits before, but this is new for me. I've seen so many different videos. Uh-oh, we've got stuff falling out. So many different videos of how people, and pictures of how people are using these kits to make various things. Shaker pouches. Goodness gracious, I do not need to be opening this. See, it's falling out of the top. Shaker pouches and shaker dashboards and all kinds of very cute and creative stuff. So I'm gonna find something to do with this. I would like to get it in my Notique, in my A5. So we're gonna do some research, but it does come with the confetti here in the bag. Oh my God, that's a whole lot. It does come, here we go, another piece and another piece. It does come with the clear tape. Let's see what it looks like. It has the same pattern, the moon and the stars here, as the entire kit. But let's get that rolled out so you can see that. So it's just a clear tape with the silver foil, the music notes, the star, and the moon. So there is the confetti tape kit. And okay, people, mystery item. If you don't want to see it, now's the time to click off. So the mystery item for this week, for this month's kit, is this jelly roll pen. I have so many jelly roll pens as mystery items in these kits, and don't use any of them. So let's see how it writes. It is silver glitter. There's that. And that's why I don't use them, because the jelly roll pens tend to skip. But it's still pretty, you know, for those of you that love the silver. There it is, screaming at you. So this is the mystery kit item. So let's get it all back together, and I'll give my final thoughts. Okay, so we have everything back here together. And my final thoughts on this kit. I'm not a fan of silver. I don't think I ever will be. That's not to discredit this kit. It's obviously a very beautiful kit. I see a lot of repeats, you know, items that we've seen before. There's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with the familiar. But this kit, I'm noticing that the silver is coming back to back. Again, I'm not going to cancel my subscription because I do love the kits. I obviously really love the washi. But, you know, please give us some more gold again, or even rose gold. I'm good with that. So this is the Simply Gilded August kit titled Lullaby Moon. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you.